Cruises and sailing trips are a unique and exciting way to see the world and experience new cultures. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or a first-time cruiser, there are plenty of options for every level of expertise and interest. One of the biggest benefits of cruise travel is the convenience. Your accommodation, meals, and transportation are all taken care of, so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. You'll have the opportunity to visit multiple destinations without the hassle of packing and unpacking, and you'll have a wide range of onboard activities and amenities to choose from. Another advantage of cruise travel is the value. Many cruises offer all-inclusive packages that include meals, entertainment, and activities, making it easier to budget for your trip. And with a variety of cabin categories and pricing options available, there's something for every budget. Sailing trips, on the other hand, offer a more intimate and hands-on experience. You'll have the opportunity to participate in the sailing process and learn new skills, or you can simply sit back and enjoy the ride. Sailing trips can be a great option for small groups or couples looking for a unique and personalized vacation. No matter which type of voyage you choose, there are a few things to consider when planning your trip. Here are a few tips to help you get the most out of your cruise or sailing adventure. Choose the right ship or sailing vessel. With so many options available, it's important to do your research and find a vessel that fits your needs and interests. Consider the size of the ship, the type of cabin you want, and the onboard amenities and activities that are important to you. Pick your destinations wisely. One of the biggest appeals of cruise and sailing travel is the opportunity to visit multiple destinations. Take some time to research the ports of call and consider which ones align with your interests and preferences. Consider the time of year. The weather and season can greatly impact your cruise or sailing experience. If you're planning a trip to a specific destination, be sure to consider the best time to visit based on your interests and the climate. Book early. Cruises and sailing trips can fill up quickly, especially during peak season. If you have your heart set on a specific itinerary or vessel, it's a good idea to book early to secure your spot. Know your limitations. It's important to be honest with yourself about your physical abilities and comfort level when it comes to cruise and sailing travel. Consider factors like seasickness, mobility, and any physical limitations you may have. Once you've decided on your cruise or sailing adventure, it's time to start planning the details. Here are a few things to keep in mind as you prepare for your trip. Pack smart. Be sure to check the weather forecast for your destination and pack accordingly. Don't forget any necessary medications or documents, and be sure to bring a carry-on bag with essentials in case your luggage is delayed. Budget for extras. While many cruises and sailing trips include meals and activities, there may be additional expenses you'll want to budget for, such as shore excursions, drinks, and gratuities. Get travel insurance. It's always a good idea to have travel insurance in case of any unexpected circumstances. Be sure to read the fine print and choose a policy that meets your needs. Prepare for seasickness. If you're prone to motion sickness, be sure to bring any necessary medications or remedies with you. It's also a good idea to ask your doctor for recommendations. Research the onboard activities and amenities. Most cruises and sailing trips offer a wide range of onboard activities and amenities, such as swimming pools, fitness centers, spas, theaters, and more. Take some time to research what's available on your vessel and plan out your days accordingly. Explore the ports of call. The ports of call are one of the biggest highlights of cruise and sailing travel. Be sure to research the destinations you'll be visiting and plan out any excursions or activities you want to do. It's also a good idea to have a backup plan in case of inclement weather or other unexpected circumstances. Stay within your budget. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a cruise or sailing trip and overspend on souvenirs, drinks, and onboard activities. Be sure to set a budget beforehand and stick to it to avoid any financial stress on your vacation. Practice good behavior. It's important to remember that you'll be sharing close quarters with other passengers and crew members on a cruise or sailing trip. Be respectful of others' space and follow the rules and guidelines of the vessel to ensure a pleasant experience for all. Be open to new experiences. Cruise and sailing travel offers the opportunity to try new things and step outside your comfort zone. Embrace the opportunity to try new foods, activities, and cultural experiences, and make the most of your trip. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser or a first-time sailor, there's something for everyone on a cruise or sailing trip. With a little planning and preparation, you can have the vacation of a lifetime and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you for watching the ultimate guide to planning a cruise or sailing trip. Tips, considerations, and things to know. We hope you enjoyed the content and found it informative, entertaining. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more great content in the future. Did you have a beautiful story about a sailing cruise? Share it with us in the comments below. Until next time.